Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to change your plan through Netflix. You're going to want to do this over at the Netflix.com website. You can do this on desktop or mobile. I'll link the Netflix.com homepage right at the top of the video description so you can access it through that link. Once you get to Netflix.com, of course, log in with your email and password. And then when you're in your profile up in the upper right-hand corner, hover over your profile image and then go down and click where it says Account. And then go down to where it says Plan Details. You'll see exactly which plan that you have. Go over, and if you want to switch your plan, just go ahead and click Change Plan. And then it will lay out all of your different options right here. The current plans that are offered through Netflix are the basic option, which is one screen, and you can get standard definition for $8.99 a month. There's also the standard plan, which is two screens that you can watch at the same time and view up to full HD 1080p when available, $12.99 a month. And then also the premium Ultra HD plan. You can watch on four screens at the same time, full HD 1080p and Ultra HD 4K when available with whatever series or movie that you're watching. And that plan is at $15.99 a month. So just select whichever plan you want, click continue, and then when you work your way through that, you should be able to change your plan at that point in time. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through how you can change your Netflix plan. I appreciate you stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I hope to catch you guys back here next time.